Hi there, mathematicians. Welcome to our first homework help video. I'm going to go over a couple problems, not exactly on your homework, but very similar to help you get the math concepts. Today, let's start by working with these fractions. Hopefully you remember it from 6th grade, but if not, let's see what we do. When we add fractions, the first thing we need to look at is, are the denominators the same? These denominators are not the same, and they're not on your homework. So what we have to do before we can add them is find a common denominator. We're going to look for the least common multiple between the number 2 and the number 5. That number for us is going to be 10. I'm going to change my fractions from halves to tenths and fifths to tenths. I had to multiply 2 by 5 to get to 10. So I'll multiply 1 by 5 to get 5 tenths. Same process down here. 5 times 2 is 10, so 2 times 2 is 4. Once I have these common denominators, 5 tenths and 4 tenths, I can now add the numerators to get my answer. 5 plus 4 is 9, the tenths remain the same. For our next skill, we'll be talking about adding or subtracting decimals. There's really one key to remember here, and that is to vertically line up your place values. Got to be careful there. If we're going to work with this problem, start with your 40.7 and then identify where the decimal is in the next problem. Make sure those decimals line up vertically. Then your ones values will line up, your tenths, and your hundredths. Once you have your numbers lined up, add them like normal. You can fill in a 0 for any missing spots if that helps. 3, 11, 9, 4. At the end, your decimal should come straight down, and you have your answer. Thank you for viewing our Homework Helps video. I hope this was really beneficial. We'll talk to you next time.